Hey, hello, welcome to Painting Explorer channel. You are still with me, Denny J. Now I am in Oyo River. It is very beautiful landscape. I will create a painting. Ayo, okay. Welcome to Painting Explorer channel. Okay, please watch my video until finish. To update my videos, don't forget subscribe, like, share, and bell Painting Explorer channel. I paint this one in my studio based on photo. The materials are oil on canvas. The techniques are underpainting and glazing. Use a pencil for sketching. An underpainting is an initial layer of paint applied to a ground, which serves as a base for subsequent layer of paint. Underpainting are often monochromatic and help to define color values for later painting. A glaze is a thin transparent or semi-transparent layer for a painting, which modifies the appearance of underlying paint layers. Sometimes it is called overpainting. I just use Van Dyck Brown from Winsor & Newton Winton Oil Color for monochromatic underpainting. To melt, I use purified linseed oil from Talents. This is the underpainting step. For the glazing step, I use glazing medium from Talent. I use some colors for polychromatic painting. This is the result. Okay, this is my video. This is my art activity today. To update my video, don't forget subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.